Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for water sign Cancer. This is weekly reading and this reading is from May 16th to May 23rd. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see what happened in your connection past. So Cancer, what happened in your connection past? The Hermit, Four of Swords, okay, Eight of Pentacles. In past, definitely one person in this connection not taking any action due to in hermit mode, definitely thinking, he is thinking about your person, thinking about a lot about this connection, definitely Four of Swords. Then definitely your person thinking about lot this connection and want to work on this connection. Definitely in past he past want to work on this relationship, definitely he wanted. So right now what is going on your connection Cancer, let's see. Three of Pentacles, lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn with go Taurus, or you could be Three of Cups, Four of Pentacles. Definitely one person acting like stubborn, not interested like, but he want this relationship, definitely, because Three of Pentacles is working together. So when you both work on this relationship and this relationship is going to next level, definitely then this celebration is will happen, definitely. So when you both decide to work on this relationship, then it will go to next level. So right now you are in that process, definitely. You both want this connection, but one person is in hesitation mode right now, but in near future he will come towards you, definitely. So let's see the near future actions towards you Cancer. Your person near future actions towards you. Knight of Cups, I told you he will come towards you. The Fool, wow, okay. The last card, Seven of Wands, definitely Four of Pentacles and Seven of Wands. So definitely he acting like I don't want this relationship, whatever, but in real he want, definitely, because in real he does, because Knight of Cups, he want to offer this cup to you in near future. It is slow but stable, definitely. And the Fool, definitely it is a, he want to take leap of faith and a brand new beginning is there, definitely Cancer. And he don't want to give up on this connection. Seven of Wands, there are a lot of obstacles, absolutely, but he want to overcome all those obstacles for you. So let's pull some cards from universe Cancer. Ten of Wands, okay, let's see. The Lovers, wow. Ace of Swords, and the last card for the reading, the Sun, wow. Definitely your person in past feeling like burden, that's why he's thinking about a lot this situation, but there is lot of love between both of you. The Lovers, your person, or you could be Gemini, definitely there will be a brand new beginning, there is no doubt, because Ace of Wands, the Fool is here. Definitely the Sun, the outcome, positive outcome, definitely your person want to commit to you, definitely. So long-term commitment is coming, there is a brand new beginning for you Cancer. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.